and welcome to this episode of Iran Art Mag. It's playtime. Today we are in the City Theater of Tehran, and it's more crowded and more lively than usual because a special annual event is going on. All over the place are street performances and everything. But what we're going to do today is see a special play with a sting in its tail, written and directed by Saeed Ajurbandian, and it's called Suddenly All Stand Up to Another Song. Let's get inside to see what's happening, guys. We are inside the theater, guys, and this corridor will soon be packed with people lining to see the play. Now let's get inside to see what they are doing inside the hall. This is the final rehearsal before the play, and we cannot make a lot of noise because that would distract them. And only in 10 minutes, this play will get started.
الان 37 سال هستش که هر ساله در بهمن ماه جشنواره تئاتر به صورت بین المللی برگزار میشه.
میخوایی قد بمونی صدام کنی؟
نه همین الان
خاتونم
بشنم خاتون
کیه ندونه پسرم ستونیه برای خودش بذار مادرشم به پای این ستون بیفته
نوبه دیدار آزون سرکوب نمیشه که نمیشه